Hey everybody, we got Mike here from Selden Technologies. Hey Mike, how are you doing?
Very good, thank you.
Good, thanks for coming over and talking about your products with us. So first, we want to talk about the WaterBox 300. It's a water filtration system. Kind of give us, how it's used, why it's used, and where it would be used.
Well, the WaterBox 300 is a simple flow-through filtration system.
Okay.
The filters are made of our patented carbon nanomesh. The filters are able to remove log 4 virus, log 6 bacteria, and log 3 cyst. And that meets
everything?
Everything.
All right.
That meets the rigid Public Health Command standard of Protocol 248, and that is the...
Well, you said it meets and exceeds it.
It far exceeds it.
Okay. And so explain, we talked about briefly before this about the carbon versus other type of filtration. So this not only removes all the bacteria, but also a lot of the flavor and the things you get, the smells and flavors from
because it is all carbon based,
right?
It's absorptive based, so it removes all the TOCs, total organic carbons, out of the water, and that's what's going to affect the aesthetics of the water, the taste, the smell, and the look of the water. When it goes through our filter, it doesn't matter what the source is, it's going to come out crystal clear and tasting great.
And tasting great. And then as a comparison to some of the UV, iodine treatments, you said that just kills the bacteria versus taking it all out.
Correct.
Okay.
UV lights will disrupt the DNA so the viruses cannot reproduce in your body. We remove it.
Right.
Iodine kills it, but then you still ingest that. We totally remove all those viruses and all of those bacteria out of the water.
And this is a new technology?
This is a relatively new technology.
And for the 300, so kind of explain the capacity of the filtration system. And we talked about being, it could be next to a well, or you could put it on the back of a Humvee because the power source is very flexible.
Well, it's a mobile unit. It uses 3 filters. It's capable of 1/2 gallon a minute, about 760 gallons a day. It's multiple power source, so it can use 110, 220, 12 volt, 24 volt.
So it can pretty much go anywhere in the field.
Anywhere. If you have an existing, solar system, it'll plug in there. It uses very low power because all we're powering is an 88 watt pump. So
small
pump. Very small.
Low maintenance, very durable.
Very low maintenance. When it was designed for the operators who, when it's time to leave, they can just pack it up and go.
Right, because it comes in a self-contained Pelican case.
Self-contained. Maintenance is very low. Operating it is very easy. It doesn't require any special tools, kits, or knowledge.
Right. And hydration is one of the most important things to the soldier these days.
Absolutely. That's a life-saving.
So now you have some dismounted options here. So we briefly talk about those.
We have our WaterStick Max and our WaterStick Mini, and these are the same material used in there. The Max is rated out to 300 gallons. And
before you need to change it out.
Before you have to change it out. And when it stops flowing, it's at the end of the life. We've added accessories to it where it can be integrated into a hydration system.
Like a personal hydration system? Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, you can hook it up to a faucet if you're in an area that you don't trust the water source, or
right.
It might be compromised in some manner. But my favorite way of using it is through a gravity bag.
And you all make this gravity bag?
Yes, we supply this gravity bag, and it'll gravity feed about 250 milliliters a minute. So in 4 minutes, you have a liter of water.
That's great.
Much easier than pumping it yourself.
Well, and also you can be doing other work while it's working. I mean, a lot of camping and outdoorsmen use gravity bags in the past, and so I think it's just the natural bridge.
Absolutely.
All right, Mike. Well, thank you so much.
Well, thank you.
Appreciate it.